Hey guys, this is Brian and his Cummins. This is the truck I sold him. Thing's mint. I sold him it. He bought it.
I bought it.
It's a lemon. No, it's not. Anyways, it's too quiet.
I put wheels on it.
He put wheels on it. It's too quiet. It's got a cat delete currently and pretty much a straight shot back to a magnaflow muffler. It's pretty big. It actually does a lot to quiet this thing down. Do you want to start this thing actually? Get a little rumble. It's got an 8-inch tip because it's a Cummins. It's pretty quiet, honestly. Oh shit! But yeah, so we're gonna make that a lot louder. We got some pipe. We got some 5-inch pipe, an adapter, a few clamps. We're gonna make shit happen. All right, so we just finiqued on the Cummins. Basically all we did was take the muffler out. Can't see anything in there, but bash the fuck out of it out. Piece of 5, 2 clamps, no problem. Let's get a little rumble.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh yeah. God damn. We'll do a driving clip next. She's outside. She's fucking loud, man. Not bad. We'll give it a little flip. Oh. Yep. We're pulling a fucking ghost trailer. Yeah, take it right. Just do like a little gas, like just drive normally, and then here's some corn. Not bad. There's the turbo whistle. There she is. Sounds good. Oh yeah. This is windows up. Not bad, dude. Not bad at all.
Not as strony as I thought.
Yeah. I'm gonna give her some corn. Yeah, dude. Sounds good. If I come it's live. Get a little downshift in there. No, just give her. Fuck it. Yup. Hell yeah.
I thought that was
Stay tuned for more.